Hello friends, welcome to Pharmamind Dose of Education and the Research. Today we are going to see top 7 pharma news, the happenings in the pharma industries in this week. Let's go. Pfizer halts the distribution of the anti-smoking drugs after the finding carcinogen. Pfizer said that recently that it is the pausing the distribution of its anti-smoking treatment of the Cantax after the finding evaluated level of the cancer-causing the agent. It's called as nitrosamine in the pills. The drug maker is recalling a number of the anti-smoking drugs. The US drugs regulator has in the past reached out of the companies whose the drugs had N-nitrosodomethylamine over the accepted level. Glenmark gets US FDA notes for the generic lungs cancer drug. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals said it has received approval from the US health regulator to the market nintedanib capsule used in the treatment of the idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis and the non-small cell lung cancer in the American market. Russia launches the Sputnik Light vaccine into wide circulation. Russia launched into the 25th June the circulation is the fourth vaccine against the COVID-19. The one dose the Sputnik Light according to the Russian Daily. Zydus Candela received the tentative approval for the US FDA for pemetrexed for the injection. Zydus Candela has received the tentative approval for the US FDA to the market pemetrexed for the injection in the strength of the 100 mg, 500 mg and 1000 mg. Single dose file the company said in the statement. Mankind Pharma partners with the BDR Pharma to the distributed baricitinib in India. Mankind Pharma has the partners with the BDR Pharmaceuticals for the distributing the anti-COVID drugs, the baricitinib, under the trademark the Baricitinib that they received the restricted emergency use the approval for the use in the combination with the remdesivir of the company's statement said. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories launches the icosapent ethyl capsule in US. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories yesterday launches the icosapent ethyl capsules used in the reduce the triglyceride level in the adult patient in the US market. Cipla gets US FDA notes for the inhalation product. Cipla yesterday said that it has received a final approval from the US health regulator for the arformoterol tartrate inhalation solution used to treat the condition like the chronic bronchitis and the emphysema in the US market. Friends, we will comes up on the next weekend with a big breaking top 7 pharma news. Till then, the stay tuned with the Pharmamind Dose of Education and the Research.